everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you the best Christmas simple nail art design to try in December 2022. Let's start. Design number 1, bright green Christmas nail art. We love this twist on the traditional Christmas color palette. Take inspiration from the bright spearmint candy comes for this fun look. Design number 2, hand painted Christmas nail art. This whimsical idea can be done at home if you have a steady hand. Just keep the design simple and whimsical and don't stress about making it perfect. Design number 3, red French tips Christmas nail art. This is French manicure with a festive twist. The cherry red tips offset the fun snowflake inspired design on the main part of the nail. Design number 4, ice blue Christmas nail polish. Jack Frost will be nipping at your nose and your fingertips with this icy color. It's perfect for any holiday celebration. Design number 5, hot cocoa Christmas nail art. Find inspiration in a mug of your favorite drink for this design. This cozy and sparkly color reminds us for hot chocolate with marshmallows. Design number 6, go all in Christmas nail art idea. When you just can't make up your mind which design go to with, just go with them all. Each nail displays its own unique design, from stripes to glitter to candy canes. Select 3 to 4 main color and stick with that palette to make your look feel cohesive. Hopefully you like my 6 all the designs in this video. If you like this video, please share and comment below in my video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Happy Christmas to all.